Hello, dear viewers and learners. Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Doing well? Hope you are doing best. I'm also good by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today, I'm going to discuss another very important tense in English grammar, that is future continuous tense. In the last tutorial, I discussed about future indefinite tense. Probably you have understood this tense. And today, I'm going to discuss this tense elaborately so that you can speak in English fluently using this tense, because to speak in English fluently, naturally, and with good confidence, you need to know tense very well. You must have very good command in tense. So that's why I'm discussing all tenses one by one. So those are new at today's tutorial. I will search my other tutorials on tenses. So dear viewers and learners, if you want to get more tutorials in future from my channel, please subscribe the channel and click on the notification button. And I'm very confident that if you follow my all tutorials, you'll be able to speak in English fluently with confidence and naturally. And you'll be able to do best result in IELTS speaking or PTE speaking. So, and also in TOEFL. So dear viewers and learners, let's go to the today's tutorial. Future continuous tense. The definition of future continuous tense is future continuous tense refers to an unfinished action or event that will keep going later on than now. I'm again telling future continuous tense refers to an unfinished action or event that will keep going later on than now. That means ভবিষ্যতে কোনো কাজ চলতে থাকবে এরূপ বোঝালে ভার্বের ফিউচার কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্স হয়। অর্থাৎ ভবিষ্যতে কোনো কাজ চলতে থাকবে এরূপ বোঝালে ভার্বের ফিউচার কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্স হয়। আমরা এখন দেখব বাংলা রূপ কিভাবে আমরা ফিউচার কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্সকে শনাক্ত করব বাংলা বাক্যের মাধ্যমে। আপনারা যখন দেখবেন বাংলা বাক্যের শেষে করতে থাকব, করতে থাকবেন, করতে থাকবে অথবা করতে থাকবা এরূপ ভার্ব থাকবে, তখন সেগুলো অবশ্যই ফিউচার কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্স হবে। যেমন আমি কাজটি করতে থাকব, সে কাজটি করতে থাকবে এবং করিম সাহেব কাজটি করতে থাকবেন। এই বাক্যগুলি হচ্ছে ফিউচার কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্স। আমরা এখন দেখব ফিউচার কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্স কিভাবে তৈরি করা যায়। What is the form to frame future continuous tense? What is the structure to make future continuous tense? We will use subject plus shall be plus verb ing plus other words or object. Here ভার্বের প্রেজেন্ট ফর্ম বসবে, শুধুমাত্র প্রেজেন্ট ফর্ম বসবে, অন্য কোনো ভার্বের অন্য কোনো রূপ বসবে না, পাস্ট টেন্সও বসবে না এবং পাস্ট পার্টিসিপলও হবে না। So let's go for some examples here, like I shall be eating my dinner. আমি রাতের খাবার খেতে থাকবো। Or we can say you will be preparing your homework tomorrow at night. Okay? Or you can say she will be cooking rice after a few hours. কয়েক ঘন্টা পর তিনি রাইস ভাত রান্না করতে থাকবেন. So in this way we can make sentences. For I and we always we will use shall, like I shall be, we shall be. And for other subjects we will use will be. Okay, like we shall be eating our dinner, I shall be eating my dinner. You will be preparing your homeworks, they will be preparing their homeworks. And she will be cooking rice after a few hours. Or Karim will be cooking rice after a few hours. Or Rina will be cooking rice after a few hours. So in this way we can make a lot of sentences. Now we will see how to make these sentences negative. Okay, the structure is like this: subject plus shall or will not plus be plus verb ing plus object or other words. So let me write some example here. Okay, like I shall not be reading a book tomorrow night. আগামীকাল রাতে আমি একটি বই পড়তে থাকবো না. Then you can say we shall not be reading a book tomorrow night. You can say you will not be reading a book tomorrow night, or she will not be reading a book tomorrow night. She will not be cooking rice few hours later. They or Rina will not be cooking rice few hours later. So in this way we can make negative sentences to future continuous tense. Now how to make interrogative sentence. To make interrogative sentence, the structure is like this: shall, will plus subject plus v plus verb ing plus object. Like shall I be going to office tomorrow? আমি কি আগামীকাল অফিসে যেতে থাকবো? Or shall I be watching a movie few hours later? Shall I be watching a movie few hours later? আমি কি কয়েক ঘন্টা পর একটি মুভি দেখতে থাকবো? Or you can say will she be cooking rice few hours later? Okay, or will we be helping the people who are affected by the flood. So in this way, we can make more complex sentence here. So how to make complex sentence, I will teach you later. Then we can make these sentences also negative and interrogative. To make negative and interrogative sentence, the structure is like this. Shall, will plus subject plus not plus V plus verb ing plus object. Now we will see how to make negative and interrogative sentences. I'm giving you some examples here. Shall I not be reading a book tonight? Okay. আমি কি আজ রাতে একটি বই পড়তে থাকবো না? So in the final, let me write one sentence and transfer this for forms of future continuous tense. Like I'm taking one simple sentence like I shall be doing this work. Okay. Then how to make this sentence negative? I shall not be doing this work, and then shall I be doing this work, then shall I not be doing this work. So I have shown you the four structure to make sentences to future continuous tense by using future continuous tense. I shall be doing this work. আমি এই কাজটি করতে থাকবো. I shall not be doing this work. আমি এই কাজটি করতে থাকবো না. Then shall I be doing this work? আমি কি এই কাজটি করতে থাকবো? Shall I not be doing this work? আমি কি এই কাজটি করতে থাকবো না? So in this way, you can change the subject and you can change the verb and you can make a lot of sentences. You can change here she will be doing this work. She will not be doing this work. Will she be doing this work? Will she not be doing this work? Then you can change the subject they. They will be doing this work. They will not be doing this work. Will they be doing this work? Will they not be doing this work? In this way, you practice, you try to speak first, then it will develop your speaking ability. You can follow this methodology for each and every tense. You make the sentences